Be mindful in what you consume. Eat less meat and more fruits, vegetable and nuts. Eating too much red meat is bad for you and the planet. Chances are if something is not good for the environment, then it's not good for you either. Drink less cow's milk, try alternative sources instead. Cow's milk is for baby cows. Drink lots and lots of purified water. Mounting research suggests that we're consuming more than just water. Pesticide residue, pharmaceutical drugs, heavy metals and a plethora of other carcinogens have all been found in drinking water. Limit consumption of ultra-processed foods, sugar and drinking soda. Many types of chips, cookies, cereals, etc., are chock full of preservatives, artificial flavors, colors and the worst stuff of all, high fructose corn syrup. Be sure to see your doctor and dentist regularly. Never minimize any lingering aches, pains or any other unusual health issues. Seek medical attention as soon as possible. Do not use toxic cleaning supplies. You can clean pretty much anything with baking soda, vinegar, salt and essential oils. It is less expensive, better for you and better for the environment.